Okay, let's start. Share my screen. Anyone have any questions before we start? So we are discussing about reports. So few things left in the reports. Let's suppose I have created a reports on open opportunities. Earlier we created a report on open opportunities, right? So edit this report. I'm making this one as a tabular report. I'm not grouping any stage. I'm not grouping any row wise, just tabular. Okay. So there are different types of reports are there. So this is, we can call it as a tabular report. Whenever if you are doing group by something, right? Let's suppose group by owner, opportunity owner. Then this report becomes summary report. So whenever summary report means, so you are summarizing the information by row wise summarization you are doing. That means when you do your report by row wise grouping, then your report becomes summary report. Okay. Then if you are grouping row wise, on top of it, again, if you are grouping column wise, okay, then this report we can call it as a matrix report. Matrix contains columns and rows, right? So this one we can call it as a matrix report. If there is no grouping, then this is, we can call it as a tabular report. Just it contains a table of data, right? It's called tabular report. And we can also join two reports as well. That is called a join report. I will show you that one as well, how to join report. Okay. So there are four types of reports will be there: tabular reports, summary reports, matrix reports, join reports. Tabular reports are nothing but whatever you are seeing here, right? Tabular format. This is by default tabular report. If you are grouping by rows, then that becomes summary report. If you are grouping by rows and columns, then that report becomes matrix report. If you are joining two reports, combining two reports into one report, right? That is called join report. Okay. So in the tabular report, I just said, right? So how, if I want to create a formula, let's suppose, let me remove type field as well. We have opportunity name amount. For each and every opportunity, I want to give 10% of discount. This is the amount. I want to give 10% of discount. That discount amount I want to calculate here only, in the report only. I don't want to create that field in object level. I want to create only reporting purpose only. I want to create here one column. How can I create column? Right. So here, add row level formula. So there is a option called add row level formula. Okay. Here you have to create a formula. So discount amount. Okay. So discount amount 0. So number only. Amount will be number only. And which field you are calculating? An amount field. Take amount field. Insert amount field. How to calculate discount of 10% amount into multiply by 10%. 10% is nothing but 10 divided by 100. So if I do amount multiply by 10 by 100 means it will give 10% of discount amount. Then click on apply. Now see, it is created a formula column, row-wise formula column. Then every amount column, it is calculated discount amount. So only one formula, one row level formula only you can create here. See, if you want to create another row level formula, there is no option. Okay. So for report, you can create one formula. See here, this is the amount, this is the discounted amount. Okay. So this way you can create a formula column as well. And again, these discount amounts, if you want to categorize into some buckets, right? So you can create bucket column. add bucket column. You can create 5 bucket columns totally. So you create add bucket column. Let's suppose column name discount category. Discount category. Okay, discount category. So what are the categories? I'm adding the categories. Okay, category name, low discount, high discount, medium discount, or as average discount, or medium discount, whatever it is. This is the bucket values you are adding. So 3 bucket values you are adding: low discount, high discount, medium discount. So for this, which field based on the discount field? Discount amount. Yeah, that formula field cannot support, I think so. Let's see. Only amount will support. Okay. Okay. Once again. Take amount field. Discount is not supporting. That is a formula field, right? So based on the amount, we will categorize. Let me see. That is also true. Let's save it. I think it will support discount. I clearly have done add bucket. No, it's not taking. I have saved, but formula feeds not supporting. I think so. Let's see. Anyway, we need a concept, right? So add bucket column. We'll try categorization by amount. Okay, as of now, I will let you know formula fields will support or not. Okay, amount. Okay, so here the amounts you are categorizing. Let's suppose if an amount less than 50,000, for example. So less than 50,000 and greater than 50,000. Okay, that is low level deal, low priority deal, low priority deal. I'm bucketing. Okay, next add another one. If amount is greater than 50,000 and greater than 1 lakh, 1 level, 100K. So then is medium priority. If any deal greater than 1 lakh, right? High priority deal. High priority deal. So this way I have categorized. Apply. Okay, so category. You can just category, bucket name, column name. Now you can see. So it is categorized by according to opportunity amount. So we have categorized. We have created a bucket. That means, so if any amount less than 50,000, that is a low level priority. Any amount in between 50,000 to 1,000, that is a medium priority. If any amount greater than 1 lakh, right, that is 100K, and it will be high priority. So this way you can also create bucket columns. Total 5 bucket columns you can create. So this is amount based on. I will create another bucket column based on the stage. Suppose there are stage values are there, right? If you want to club these stages into one bucket like that, right? So you can create a buckets here. Add more focused deals. Less focused deals. Okay, 2 buckets I have created. More focused deals. Which are one more focused deals? Whichever the nearest to closed one. Negotiation. When opportunity is in negotiation or review phase, or when opportunity in proposal price growth, when opportunity in perception analysis. Okay, so this is more focused deals, move those things, right? And less focused deals, whenever starting stages are there, right? 3 stages, those are less focused deals. Okay, apply. So this one, deal priority and deal focus. I'm creating this one as a apply. Now you see deal focus. So this is a less focused deals. So then I can filter out here. Filter by deal focus. I want to only filter out only high focused only, more focused. So I can see these are the opportunities which we have to focus more. And if you want to filter out by category as well, for example, add filter category. Here you can put category as well. So high priority along with. So this way, more focused with high priority. So I want to, as a sales rep, I want to focus these opportunities, right? So this way you can do reporting. This way you can add bucket columns, and this way you can add row level formula fields as well. Okay. And next, I said that join report. Here in the left side corner, there is a drop down. You can see here report, join a report. If you want to join a other report, okay. So join, like second. I think there is no report save. Okay. Yeah, row level formulas, it's not supported. Okay, if here we created, we'll go with another report. We'll create 2 reports, for example. Simply an account object. Hospital is nothing but account. Yesterday we renamed, right? So account object, filters, all accounts, all time, all accounts. Okay, so I don't need all these columns. Just I need account name, and what are other fields required? Account name, account rating. 1 second. Not this report. We'll take save and don't discard it. Go to report, new report. We'll take an opportunity. Opportunities. Remove all columns. Okay. So account name, account versus opportunities. Account related opportunities. Right. So here filter all time, all opportunities. Okay, done. Save it. Account and related opportunities. This is a report. Save it. Now with this report, giant report, apply. I'm creating another report here. So here you can add, this is the 1 block, right? You can add 5 blocks. Total 5 blocks you can add. This is the block 1 opportunity. Block 1, you can see opportunity block 1. Here you can rename account with opportunities. Account with opportunities. Okay. This one. Now 1 block it is, right? So then I'm adding another block. So I'm creating another report. as cases. We'll take it cases. Account with cases. So here, second block, 5 blocks you can add. That means 5 reports you can add. I'm removing all the fields. Okay. So here in the case block, account name, and case number, for example. You can see this is a case block. So account with cases. This is second block, right? So this way you can filter out here block one wise filters you can apply, right? So here also you can apply each block one filters you can apply, and group wise, let's suppose group by account name. See here. So when you apply, see one report, I have applied both the blocks I have applied by group by account. So what will happen? So there is a account and filter I will apply. So here account name not equals to empty. See here empty account is there that I am removing. Okay. Now you can see Burlington Textile, there is no opportunities, but one case is there. Dixon, one opportunity is there, but no cases are there. Edge communication, 3 opportunities, 3 cases are there. That means in one report, I have joined now 2 reports. This is called joint report. One is account with opportunities, account with cases. But the common factor should be there when you are joining. Account is a common factor, right? Then only it will be good when you are doing joining report, right? Up to you can add 5 blocks. So you can add other block as well, hospitals and contacts, some other, whatever the block, campaigns, hospitals, all cases with etc. Let's suppose opportunities, no leads. Let's suppose if you are lead, add block. Another block I have added here, right? Lead object, but lead object there is no account common factor, right? So in this case, you are not able to group by account. If you do group by account, see account, there is no group by account name, it is not coming because the lead doesn't have account name, but the account owner is coming because owner means, let's suppose the lead name, lead first name. Okay, if you do account owner, right, so it will be categorized by owner wise. So Salesforce training, how many leads are there? Okay, there is no leads by Salesforce training. The first name, or I can add last name. No. No leads are coming. Let me see, because there is no common element, because the lead doesn't have account. I said, right, one common element should be there when you are joining report, then only the joining report will be helpful. Okay, let's remove this block. Okay, so when you are adding account with case, right, so here you can see account owner by the has done, or you can do by account name as well. As I said, by account name you can also categorize. Okay, so remove detail rows, remove subtotals. Okay, so you can see when I run, I can see how many opportunities are there by each account, how many cases are there, right? So I can easily figure out by, so I'm joining 2 reports, account with opportunities, account with case. Like that, five blocks. If account is a key for each and every report, you can combine 5 reports into one report: account with opportunities, account with cases, account with some other, account with some other objects, account with some other object. Then you can group by account level field, whatever the fields are there, right? You can use group by, right? Instead of creating individual objects. Why this is important? Because when you want to create account with opportunities, you can create easily one report, but you cannot create account with opportunity with cases. You cannot create, because account child object is opportunity and case is also a child object. For example, the giant report, why it is required means, that's what this is account, this is an opportunity, this is a case, right? This is an account, this is an opportunity, this is a case. Right now, the relationship: account is parent to the case, account is a parent to the opportunity. When you are creating a report type, account versus opportunity you can create, account versus case you can create. You cannot create account versus opportunity versus cases, because opportunity is not a, case is not a child of opportunity, right? Either you can create account versus opportunity or account versus cases only. You can report type you can create. This is not possible to combine these three. If you want to combine, what you have to do, you have to create this report and you have to create this report. Then you can join by using this common factor. This common factor you can join it, right? So in that case, the joint reports are very helpful, because we with individual reports we can write HO like this. I want to see accounts with how many opportunities are there, how many cases are there. If I want to HO in single report, it is not possible. Only giant report only it is possible. Understood? This is all about reports and dashboards. Okay. Yesterday I have given one super badge. So if you want more knowledge and reports and dashboards with the practical, so that super badge itself having so many challenges. The project also has given clearly. So if you guys work on that project, right? So you guys can get more knowledge and reports and dashboards. Almost I have covered everything, but so that super badge, it will helpful to recap what I have already told. Any questions? Okay. In the admin course, only one topic is left so far. That is the flow builder, and some of the small topics are there, like a assignment rules, auto response rules, web 2 case, web 2 lead, right? There are small topics are there. So I can cover that is one day. And there is a flow builder, that is important topic that we can complete in 2 sessions. Okay. Next, today I said, right, yesterday I promised how to register for exam, Salesforce certification exam. If you want to register for Salesforce certification exam, there is a website called Web SSR. You have to go to the Web SSR. First, you have to create this Web SSR account. So if you want to create a Web SSR account, so you have to sign up for the Web SSR. Okay. So go to sign up for the Web SSR. So you have to here you can see when you are open this link, right? Let me share this link in the chat. Okay. So here create new Web SSR login. So first you have to create the account. Click on that. General information you have to provide. Your login, username, password you have to create, right? Email address, everything you have to provide, postal code, client specific fields. These, if you don't know some of the fields, give some. That's about company name. If we are not working for any company, just you can give any company name, that doesn't matter. Right? Are you in Salesforce customer, you can say SFDC customer something, you can select anything, there is no problem. After that you can change it nowhere. Verification opt-in, you can place it yes only. So focus in primary sector, private. So this way, once you fill this thing, right, then you will get a login credentials, right? Once you got a login credentials, then you have to log in. So there is a login option. Okay, so I'm logging with my credentials, login. Okay, once you logged in, right, once you logged in, so you can see this is the home screen. Okay, if you want to register for an exam, here you can see register for an exam. There are different types of Salesforce exams are there. So they are grouped by different section: Trailblazer, Boot Camp, Associate exams, Administrative exams, App Builder exams, Architecture exams, Architecture exams, Marketing exams, Developer exams. There are so many exams are there, right? So whatever the exam you want to, some practice tests are also, practice tests also there, right? So whatever the exam you want to register, you have to select that particular section. Let's suppose if we are completing admin, so go to administrator exams. There are 3 administrator exams are there. One is basic admin, advanced admin, and business analyst. So these are the 3. Once you complete admin, you can complete this, whoever is interested. Okay, so e-certification is $200. You can see here, e-certification is $200. So here, online you can register, on-site you can register. On-site means nearest centers are available. So this WebSSR is providing outside physical centers as well, right? Nearest centers also you can go and write an exam. Though if you want to do it in online, right, you can also do it in online as well. Okay, I think this one is just now I'm seeing event protected. I don't know. Proctored. What is this? Recently added, I think so. Okay. So I know online onset. I will see what is event proctored. Okay. So online, let's suppose if you are registering for online, just click on register button. It said every exam mostly $200, $400 will be there, right? So these admin 3 exams are $200 only. Now here it will show what is the slot, nearest slots are available. So these are the slots are available. So here you can see, so select the slot, whatever the address you have given in the at the time of sign up, right? So it will take that time zone only. Based on the time zone only, dates it will show. So this is IST time zone. So I have selected date and I have selected particular slot, right? Then I accepted, then select. Then this is the payment. So $200 for certification, and your tax, your how much your country is enabling the tax rate. So here 18% tax is there in India. So that's why 218% means total $36. Total $236. So nowadays we have $140 voucher code is there. If you apply $140 voucher code, so you will get more discount. That means you will end with $70 something. Okay, then you can check out, pay, only credit cards only accepted. So check out, pay it, then it will be scheduled, right? So once it is scheduled, right, if you go to my assessment, right, in the my assessment, here there is a another table will come once you schedule. What is that? There is a software they will provide to download. You have to download the Sentinel software. Sentinel software. So you have to download and install the Sentinel software. Use your personal laptops instead of office laptops, because office laptop is a secured and there may be a firewalls is enabled. So and you need admin permissions as well. So office laptops you will not get admin permissions. That's why use personal laptops while writing an exam. That is a suggestion. If your company are ready to provide admin access as well, then you can use office laptop as well, right? So once you install the software, just normal software, so Just next, save only. Once the software is installed, once you open, it will ask biometric. So it will take your photo and it will register your biometric, right? So once the software installed and biometric process is completed, so your whatever the exam you registered, here it will come. And there is a launch. Under that launch, there is a button will be there, launch button. So this launch button will be only available at the time of exam slot, exam day only. The launch button will be available. Once you clicking on that launch button, right, then exam will open. Whatever the software you install, right, in that software, the exam will open. Then you can write it, the exam. So this is the process to register for an exam. Any questions? Is it clear? Exam related. You can see your certifications here. So we also do maintenance as well. Each certification every yearly we have to do maintenance as we maintain our certificate. Right? Here you can see. Okay. So just log out from this website. This is about certification. If anyone need, whenever register, if anyone help required, so let me know. I will help you. No worries. Okay. Now there is a small topics I said, right? So we'll discuss. We have a time of 20 minutes, is there. So in general CRM, we have lead objects. Okay, leads. I go to leads, lead and case object, for example. Okay, as I said, right, when it comes to leads, go to all leads. Leads are who are the leads actually? Leads are nothing but who are interested in our product, who are interested to buy our product, those becomes a leads. When I do campaign, right, from the campaign, so some inquiries will come, right? So whenever someone is inquiring means they are interested in our product, right? So those leads are nothing but there are prospecting customers. That means they may become a customer or they may not be, right? That means that's why I call it leads are nothing but prospecting customers, right? But every lead is not a customer. Lead is who is interested in our product. So he is interested. You want to know about our product. You want to know more details about our product, right? Those are becomes a leads. In Salesforce CRM, leads are very, very important. If you are selling something, right? How sales user know how many leads are there to sell these products, right? Based on the leads only, he can put targets. Okay, these many leads are there. First, marketing people get all the leads from different tactics. Like they will do campaigns, like marketing campaigns. They will do banner based campaign, digital media based campaigns, right? Paper based campaigns, right? So like that, they will do campaigns and they will try to attract as many leads and they will store all the leads into here. Then once the marketing people working on the leads, right? So let's suppose they were gathering the information from each and every lead and how much they interested. Based on that, they will try to put some score on the lead record. Okay. Why they will put some score? That is, we can call it as a lead score. Let's suppose lead score, how it will be decided. In the particular lead, he is providing whatever we are asking. He is providing all the information and he is also knowing about our products, right? Based on his conversation, as a marketing guy, if I thought that he is much interested, definitely he will buy, right? So based on that, I will give you random score number. Okay, 80, 90, 100, 0 to 100, I will give. Based on the lead score, let's suppose the lead score is greater than 70, whatever the leads are there, and I will filter by lead score greater than 70. These leads are very much interested to our products, right? Then these leads I want to forward to sales team. then sales team can sell our products, right? So these leads we may convert into, there is a lead conversion is there, right? This is the open lead. Let's suppose this lead, I thought that this lead maybe become a customer, right? So you can convert this lead into customer, right? So how can we convert this lead into customer? Still he has not bought anything from us, but I am thinking, I'm assuming he will become a customer, that's why I'm converting his to customer, right? So here there is a lead convert option is there. Convert, whenever you want to convert lead, right? So it will be, lead will be converted into account record, lead will be converted into contact record, lead will be converted into opportunity record. But opportunity is optional, you can avoid creation of opportunity. If you want, you can create an opportunity as well, or else you can avoid. But contact, and whenever you are converting lead, right? So account and contact, automatically it will be mandatory. So if existing already, this account is already there, it is already there in the system, all right? If already there, then you can choose existing customer, same customer. For example, another lead comes from the same customer, don't create another customer, because then it will become a duplicate customer record in the account, right? Just tag to existing account. Okay, same. If already beta boxer is contact is already there in the contact object, choose existing contact only, right? This way you can create, once you convert a lead, you can create into account, contact, and lead opportunity. Just converted, that's it. So it is converted into account record, it is converted into contact record, it is converted into opportunity record. See here, this is the account record, go to leads. Then once the lead is converted, open all open leads. Now you can see the Bertha boxer is disappear from all open leads. Once a lead is converted, that lead will be disappear from lead object, right? So how do I know which leads are converted? I want to know converted lead information. Again, you can do by reporting. Through reporting, you can do converted leads. How? New report on lead object, you can create a report. So leads, okay, lead with converted information. Start report, filter, all leads. So custom data I'm today. I'm picking today date. Date from to today. Apply. All leads. What is the today date? Let's suppose take it next day. Why the lead is not coming? Second, all time. Oh, this is activity date instead of activity date. Converted date, lead converted date. Okay. See here, what is the lead it is converted? Bertha boxer, today it is converted. In this range period, February 2nd to February 13, what lead we have converted? Only one lead is converted, Bertha boxer, right? So this way you can do some reporting, whatever the leads, because you cannot get it from here, converted leads, right? This converted lead information, you can get it through report builder. So this is the lead conversion. So once your lead is converted, so it will create account record. See Bertha box of Farmers Croppers of Florida. This is the that lead company. And if you to go to opportunity, so here Farmers Croppers of Florida opportunity is created. And if you go to contacts, there is a Bertha box of contact is created. Once a lead is converted, it will convert it into account record. It will convert it into contact record. It will convert it into opportunity records. At the time of conversion, you can stop conversion of opportunity. Still, you don't know what you have to sell, right? So in that type, opportunity is not required. So you can only convert account and contact only. You can disable the checkbox, right? As I shown the checkbox, right? So convert opportunity, you can stop the convert opportunity. Only you can convert into account and contacts. Later on, you can create manually an opportunity. If you want, you can also create an opportunity as well. But you can, but account and contact as mandatory when your lead is converting. Opportunity is an optional. Any questions on lead conversion? Is it clear for everyone? So there is a concept. Let's suppose a leads, right? And these leads we can also get it from different channels. I said that campaigns, banner ads, right? So leads we can also get it from websites as well. Okay. So there is a concept called web to lead information. Web to lead. That means here Salesforce is providing web to lead concept. Web to lead. This is the web to lead. When you are clicking on web to lead, okay, here you can edit web to lead form. Web to lead is enabled. Edit. If you want to enable or disable it, this is web to lead is enabled, right? So first we have to enable. If it is not enabled, if you have to enable. If it is already enabled, here there is a create web to lead form. Okay. Here in the, that means we are creating a one form using this web to lead setup. We are creating a one form. In the form, what are the fields? These are the lead object fields. What are the fields are required? These are the first name, last name, email, company, city, state. Okay. These are the emails. What is the written URL? Once user is submitted the form, which website you want to redirect. Let's suppose I want to redirect to google.com or www. Just generally they will give their company. Okay. Generate. Here, this is the form it will generate. HTML form it will generate. Copy this form, Control A, Control C. So generally this HTML form you have to share with your website. Every company will have website, right? So the webmaster will be there, whoever is controlling that website, right? If you share this piece of code to your webmaster, that our organization website who is maintaining, right? They will put this form in the website somewhere. Then whoever is visiting, so if they want to know more about details, right, they will fill form. We will see so many websites, right? Whenever you are entering, they will ask first name, last name, email, or else at least please enter your email, and we have to submit. Then only it will enter to the website. Why they are asking? They are gathering your information and storing as a record in their database. Same way, this web2 form also will do like that. So this is the form I'm saving. Save. I'm saving in the desktop because I don't have any website. That's why here I'm saving as a desktop as a web to lead .html. HTML format I'm staying. Save. Okay. So now close it. So you can open in the desktop. See web to lead HTML form is there, right? Open. This is the, right? This form will open. If you give this piece of code to your website maintenance guy, right? He will beautifully apply some CSS and everything. You can also apply your CSS. So if you know the HTML CSS, right? You can also modify this code automatically. Same. Now here I am creating, let's suppose I am the user, I am filling the form in the website. I'm not in the Salesforce. This is the form. Even if I give this piece of information, Control A, Control C. So in the chat here, okay. So you can also take this form. Okay. You can also save in your notepad as a HTML format. Then open that form and fill that form. Just do it, someone, right? How I am filling first name, last name, right? Let's suppose Dara Mahesh, email something, company, some company, city, Hyderabad, state, yes. Okay. I have submitted. As a prospecting customer, I visited your website. I entered my details, right? So as an organization, I want to know who is visited my website, right? So I want to capture that person as a lead in my organization, right? So see, it's redirected to Google because I have given Google as a redirect email. Now, if you go to open leads, earlier how many leads are there here? 40 leads are there. Refresh it. Just now, how many leads are there? 15 leads are there. What is the new lead? Here you can see Dara Mahesh is created in your Salesforce. Dara Mahesh, company name, state, his email ID, lead status. How Salesforce is grabbed your information from the website? Because of Web2 lead. Web2 by using the Web2 lead feature. If you fill the same form I shared in the Zoom chat, right? You can also copy that, and if you save as a HTML file, if you feel right, I'm able to see your name here. Did anyone fill? Anyone is trying?
Yeah, just doing. So what do we need to do? I just copied this thing, and after that,
Put it in save as a .html.
okay.
Once you save as a .html, so where you have saved, open that file. Let's suppose I have saved a .html file in the desktop, right? If you open, so that HTML file will open. Then fill the form.
.html. I'm just doing in my office laptop, but it is not there.
Okay. But anyone try? So okay. Then I may get your lead information here. Definitely. Okay. So right now 14 leads. How I type right form, then automatically I grabbed your information in lead object in Salesforce. You can give this generally what they will do, right? Wherever they want to put this form, right? So that particular page level, they will put this form. Whoever is visiting, they will have to, they forcefully ask to fill that information, right? Then whoever information it is there, marketing people call to them and email to them, and they will ask what are the things you are looking in a website, how can we help, right? So like that, they will start the conversation. So that's why they will start selling. Okay, so that is called Web2 lead. Same way you can also do Web2 case. Only this Web2 lead, Web2 case, only two are only available. Web2 case, Web2 lead. So other object it is not possible. Web2 case means if you go to any website, right, there is a support tab will be there, right? You have entered Akhil. Okay, let's see. Now see 16, right? Somewhere your name will be there. So Akhil Chalmset. See here, I grab it. So you have filled the form in your system only, but still in my Salesforce account, I am able to get your record. So then what I will do? So it is assigned to some user, right? So if assigned to some user, right? So he will call or he will email. So what kind of products you are looking? So I thought you visited our website. So do you need any help? If you need any help, so you will reply. So we will start a conversation. Okay. So what are you looking? So you need a basic information. Are you looking for purchasing anything? So if you are purchasing anything, yes, I want to purchase these products. Then I will convert this lead into account, opportunity, and contact. Then that opportunity level, what are the products you are interested in? I will add those products to opportunity. Then I will tell you, this is the total price. Are you interested to buy? Okay. If you yes, right, then we will generate a code. I will send you the code. If you are accepted the code, right, then what will happen? We will deliver. You have to pay. We will send a payment link. Then you have to pay. Once you pay, so we will deliver products. Simple. Right? That is the typical sales process will happen. Clear? So web to case, that's why many website you can see support, right? When you want to raise a case or when you raise a query, right? So if you go to support there, you will send an email, right? With the following details you have to, what is your details, what is your name, first name, last name, phone number, and what is your query, right? Once you fill, right? So it will submit, it will give one reference number, right? So where it is going? So if they are using some system, right? Automatically that record will store in some other system. Let's suppose if they are storing in the, say, if they are using Salesforce, right? Then that will be stored in case object. So whoever is doing some inquiries, right? All the cases you can see that, so the support team will be there, right? So they will work on these cases. They will call back and explain what are the things they are doing. Okay. This is about web to lead and web to case. Okay. This, as I said, right, there is no class. I am busy next 5 days. Saturday, Sunday, anyway, we don't have any class. 13, 14 also, we don't have any class. 13 and 14. So we'll resume our classes in 15, 15, 16, 17, we will have a class. Okay. So in these 3 days, I will discuss about flow builder, and along with remaining topics are there, small topics. So we will end, we will close our admin session by 17. I have also shared one project, start doing that project. And I have also shared super badges, start doing that super badges as well. So you will get more knowledge. Okay.
So tomorrow no class, right?
Yeah, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, there is no class, right? Generally. Yeah. And Monday, Tuesday also there is no class. So we'll again meet on Wednesday, IST. Okay. That means 15th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, guys. Thank you. Let me know if any doubts or things, ping me in the WhatsApp or we have a group, right? So ping me. Whenever I have time, I will help you.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.